Good evening, traders. I hope everyone had a great start to the week. Many people complained about Dun. Dun was not working, it was stuck in the morning. We would again recommend everyone to move to Angel. I have seen the platform to be very stable, right? Or Zerodha is again a preferred choice for many. These two are generally good, right? I have not seen any issues with them. If you want to, we have a couple of videos on Angel. If you guys have any interest, just reach out to at live support CTI. We'll help you open the account there, right? But then today many people complained in the morning, and personally I took the morning trade exactly per how we had planned the market played, right? Opening, gap up, a dip, and then again went up. So folks, don't skip the video, right? Watch the video. There are a lot of learning tidbits. You can pick up from there. You can plan your trades. Do not plan more than 2 or 3 trades. Stock side, I think we had one stop loss. The other one did not trigger because it was a big gap up, and obviously stocks, the stop losses are small. So have a look at it. We have picked up 3 stocks today as well. For tomorrow, interestingly, right, there is Fin Nifty expiry, beginning of a new series. Last monthly expiry was amazing. This one, let's hope we can see something good there, right? So before I get into the analysis, happy Guru Purnima. Many people wished us on direct message, which is great. I would wish everyone the same thing. Personally, we have all reached where we are only because of the efforts that our teachers, our parents put on us, right? They are also our important teachers in our life who have helped us shape where we are. Getting into the analysis, let's look at the first thing, which is VIX. Guys, I explained in the live market today. We took 2 trades, right? Live market trade, 68 plus points. People made good money. The first trade was obviously per the setup. These are the 2 trades that I took. Stocks may they were stop loss. I explained why VIX in the beginning of the series should not be looked at, right? Because people who are taking futures contract, creating synthetic futures, or selling far away strangles, right? These are the people who would increase the volatility, and that is where VIX actually picks up. But VIX is at an interesting stage for tomorrow. If it starts trading about 12.1, you would see some sort of panic in the market, right? There is something in the market which is brewing. Market is trading at all-time highs. VIX suddenly has started shooting up. There is a trend line. I would not be concerned till it actually reaches 13.2, right? That is where my suggestion to everyone would be: don't plan your trades, don't start shorting the market basis VIX. The market has to actually give you some indication that it wants to go down, right? We'll start with Fin Nifty today first. Many people asked me. Personally, I had taken a short trade in the last 1.5 hour, right? So for tomorrow, Fin Nifty plan is pretty simple. See guys, if it opens bit somewhere here, if Fin Nifty opens somewhere here, I won't like to short it. The reason is this is gonna act as a support. Now if you see, there is a angular trend line. There is a very angular trend line. If Fin Nifty opens small gap up to flat, right, tomorrow basis the and I'll go to components also, basis the component positioning, I am seeing a dip till 20,150 and 20,080, right? Flat opening to small gap up, wait for a bearish candle. But the moment there is a flat opening, if it breaks this after the first 10-15 minute consolidation, you would see decent levels. A big gap down, wait for a bullish candle, it will go and retest 2216. Any move, any opening between 2307 and 359, do not trade. Wait 50-60 points, let it consolidate. That range, ideally it should break out for the targets of 2400 and plus. Breakdown between 2360 to 303, I am not interested because there are supports, right? A big breakout, big gap up, I would wait. Typically range and then breakdown, this is where support is. So big gap up, right, I would avoid for tomorrow in Fin Nifty. Now why am I saying so? Why am I saying so? Look at the Bank Nifty components, guys. If you see here, I'll just replace it with HDFC. For people who have not watched it, right, please watch my session today which I had taken on YouTube. It will be fun. If you see, HDFC, right? HDFC Bank is actually showing some sort of weakness. We are expecting below 1698 some profit booking. Same is the case with HDFC. We are expecting profit booking. So these two components, right, will actually pull. If you see in the end, ICICI actually gave a good counter move, ICICI and Axis Bank, which is where the fall was arrested. But if you see, all the other components are actually talking about a decent pullback profit booking, right? So for the levels that I have discussed, just keep your eyes open and then take a trade, right? I will just change this to Bank Nifty 6 components. We'll go to the Bank Nifty now. Same chart pattern. Bank Nifty slightly more bullish than Fin Nifty. The reason is IndusInd and HDFC Bank, right? IndusInd and HDFC. So HDFC, there was profit booking. IndusInd actually is going up, right? It's rising with good volume. So for tomorrow, what else to do on Bank Nifty, guys? Bank Nifty is slightly tricky. The reason is very simple, right? The reason is very simple. If you see this setup, right? It's actually a pennant. In fact, I had drawn a pennant from here in the morning trade, right? This could go either sides, guys. Bank Nifty is saying either sides. A big gap up, I would avoid chasing. I would wait for a retest and then a bullish candle to go long. Actually, if you see, unlike Fin Nifty, even here the trend line is not angular. So let me see if there is any trade. Okay, it's taken some. So if it opens flat, if it doesn't break out this level of 45,314 in the first half, after 10, 10, 15, right? If it breaks down and closes below this level, right? Below this level of 45,090, you could see targets of 44,929 and 44,774. Personally, I am seeing a grinding first half, a move in the second half. The move in the second half would be of profit booking and PE. A big gap up, avoid, right? Flat opening, wait for a range breakdown, you will get a trade. Personally, I am looking Fin Nifty to give a better trade tomorrow than Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty spot chart not very conclusive, but the component chart is actually giving decent view, barring IndusInd and SBI. Everything else is talking about some sort of profit booking there, right? So we may have to look at some sort of profit booking there. If Kotak and Axis support it, it would be great, right? All six components. HDFC is neutral to bearish, ICICI is in between, Axis is in between, SBI, IndusInd is definitely bullish, SBI is bullish, Kotak is in between, right? Neutral. So again, guys, components are pointing out to something. Let's look at the charts here of the option, right? Option chart clearly, right? 45,500 P. If it opens between 400 and 430, consolidates, breaks out, you could get 460, 501 and 520 there. C chart, I am not very confident looking at the chart. If you see, there is a small trend line here. Probably if it opens, right? See, this has actually broken down. But okay, wait. Okay, this is a decent chart now. It should not open below 296. It should open between 350 and 320, consolidate and then break out. You have targets of 393, 420 and 450 there. Put side, the risk rewards are better. Quickly, let's look at Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50 charts, right? Again, good story there. Nifty 50 definitely do not short. Actually, if you see, Bank Nifty did not take out its highs, but the pattern that Bank Nifty has been forming, Nifty has started giving that pattern. So till Nifty actually opens below 19,266 and starts closing, do not short. Each area will be taken as a support in my opinion. See, look at all these supports, right? If there is a liquidity here, but there is an immediate support. Tomorrow, big gap up, avoid. Gap down, look at the trade being taken from here for the long side, right? And Nifty again, I won't short, right? Now quickly let's look at the components of Nifty. Bank Nifty was bullish. Actually, it opened with the decent gap. Nifty IT, I said small profit booking. If it comes, let it consolidate. It can break out above this level. FMCG is good. Pharma defensives are again. It's a day of uh, all the bulls, right? So defensives generally people will not tend to put a lot of money, but all the components are pointing towards further bullishness in Nifty. HDFC, we have analyzed the stock. I want to look at Infi and Reliance, right? HDFC, I'm expecting profit booking. Infi, bearish candle, but it's a trap candle. Wait for consolidation and then taking out of 1344, you would see 1399. Next is Reliance, right? Definitely good stock. It gave a breakout. We were waiting for this breakout. All targets met. I am expecting consolidation here. Tomorrow Nifty could grind, guys, but do not short Nifty if you see couple of bearish candles. If you see the components of Nifty, right, are showing more strength than Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, right? In terms of stock pick, what did we pick today? Cummins Industries opened, gave us an entry, took out a stop loss. L&T Infotech Mindtree opened with a big gap up, but then again gave an entry and gave decent profit. Titan, right, disappointed. I'll tell you why. Because I was expecting a breakout. It came down. I got an entry at 30. I had said take an entry somewhere here if you get it. We got an entry first time. We made decent, right? 15-20 points. Second time it has given entry. It's in between, so I have not exited the trade. I'm carrying it in cash, right? But it was disappointing to see because I was expecting this trend line to break out. Now for tomorrow, what are the stocks, right? For tomorrow, Dalmia Bharat, right, is one of them. I'm looking at Dalmia Bharat as one of the stock. If you see from the opening price, it managed to hold on to it, right? Tomorrow, if you see, right, above 2205, you can put a stop loss of 2193. Enter the trade for the targets of 2239. The stock is looking good, guys. Dalmia Bharat. Second one is Balrampur Chini Mills, right? Again, if you see a decent base creation above 386, you would see this rocket towards 391, 395 and 400, right? Third one is interesting pick. I want to short of Bosch below 18, below 19,007, keeping a stop loss of 19,150. My targets are 18,798 and 18,550. So guys, these are the three picks. Again, tomorrow is expiry. Trade with low quantity. Do not extend your stay. Take a trade with small quantity. Keep small stop losses. Stocks, you will get good risk reward. Long side, be cautious now. Market is overheated, right? I would want to be very cautious there, right? From my side, friends, that's it. Please share our channel. Please encourage people to subscribe. And do not watch by skipping the video, guys. Do not watch by skipping the video, right? That's it from my end, friends. I will close the analysis session. If you're liking the video, please share your comments. Please hit the like button. Thanks, guys.